The central limit theorem, CLT, states that the sample mean distribution of random variables will assume a near normal or normal distribution if the sample size is large enough. For example, if we iteratively calculate the mean of 10,000 samples from any of the distributions in the figure to the left 100 times, then the resulting distribution of the means will be a near normal or normal distribution. Another interesting phenomena is that the product of multiple distributions result in a log normal distribution, as we will see in the following Excel tutorial. For this demonstration, I've generated a matrix of 15,000 random numbers in 500 rows by 30 columns. Then I've taken the mean of each row, and according to the central limit theorem, if I make a distribution of these means, I should get a normal distribution. Over to the right, first I look at all the random numbers and I see a uniform distribution. And then I look at the distribution of just the means and I can see that it has the normal distribution shape. Another interesting phenomena is that if you take the product of each row of the 30 columns and we look at the distribution of the products, then we'll get a log normal distribution. I hope you found this demonstration interesting. Thank you for listening. Like and subscribe.